Have you ever asked yourself, while learning Excel, how it calculates values like the total, the average, the minimum, or the maximum? These are things we often take for granted, but today we're going to explore exactly how Excel performs these kinds of calculations. In this lesson, we will learn about formulas and functions in Excel. These are two extremely fundamental concepts, but they're also essential for anyone who wants to use Excel efficiently and accurately. Understanding the difference between formulas and functions is key to mastering spreadsheet tasks, whether simple or advanced. First, let's talk about what a formula is in Excel. A formula always begins with an equal sign. After that, you manually enter each cell that contains the data you want to calculate. For example, you might type something like C7 plus D7 plus E7, referring to specific cells you want to add together. This is called a formula. You're building the logic of the calculation yourself, using cell references and mathematical symbols. So now that we understand what a formula is, let's move on to the concept of a function. A function, unlike a manual formula, allows you to perform calculations using predefined Excel tools. For instance, instead of typing each cell individually to get the total, you can use the sum function. With this, you just select the entire range of cells you want to add, and Excel calculates the result for you using the function sum C7E7. This simplifies the process, especially when dealing with a large number of cells. You can see that whether you use a formula or a function, the data being processed is the same. Both methods help you reach the same result, but they differ in how you input and structure the calculation. This is a simple but very important distinction to understand when you start using Excel. Mastering both formulas and functions will give you the foundation to work more efficiently with data. That's it for this video. In the upcoming lessons, we'll continue learning more helpful tips and techniques as part of this basic Excel training series. Stay tuned and keep practicing so you can become more confident in your Excel skills.